today I'm going to do everything my lovely assistant says. Lord have mercy. It's 8 a.m. I'll go to the gym and then I'll go to the gym. We're going to the gym right there.
A few moments later.
Done with shower, messy hair, but gotta go now. We're running a little bit late on schedule. See ya. What is this, Tara?
Celery.
I mean, I like healthy stuff. I don't think this is going to be a challenge at all. Oh.
There's more in my car.
How many do you have for today?
3.
Why would people do this to themselves? Why can't they just stick with smoothies? It looks less intimidating. I think I can actually do like 7. So Ken may be pushing it, but I think he can do it. I think so. I really think so. It's hell of fire. Taught me that one.
I quit.
Why do they make it spicy?
Are you the type where even pepper is spicy? You find it spicy? You're so white. Oh my god.
Okay. Alright. Spiciness is not a taste. Literally, it is an irritation. I'm done. I'm going to put this up here.
Holy shit.
And up here.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. You can see the liquid coming out here. Oh yeah, that's it. We're good. We should like go up and down. Make it look really tall. I like this song. Okay.
So you're probably allergic to cats or dogs, right?
I'm not sure which one. I used to not be like that, and then one of my friends.
Okay, well we are gonna find out in an hour. We're going to an animal cafe.
I was gonna go with, the patch test for allergies.
And it's pretty clear.
But I guess this works too. It's just direct exposure. So I thought I was gonna die today, but I think Tara is kinder than I thought. So Tara has always known I've been obsessed with, getting a dog, but I can't really afford one because I travel a lot. So now we're at a dog cafe. You can see my eyes, like they're like hearts. Good. Good job. Good. อีกครั้งหนึ่งแล้วขอหน้าYou're so good. Oh. ลูกค้าเลี้ยงพันธุ์อะไรบ่อยคะอ๋อปลาผสมพุดเดิ้ล2 ตัวค่ะตัวผู้กับตัวเมียค่ะโอ้ไหนออกเลย You like this? Do you like it? Touch my. No, touch my. เนี่ยเราจะพาเราจะพาออกไปเดินสวนเนี่ยดูสามที่นอนอยู่ข้างเดียวเองซูบิชิเป็นแฟนกับเธอนู่นใช่โอ้แฟนกับมินิใช่ค่ะตัวนั้นก็น่าจะดูตื่นก็เลยแต่ยังไม่หยุด a long day. I am still full. All the noodles. 10 bowls of them. I don't think I need dinner tonight. So the idea of today came from me realizing that Tara, my assistant, she's been my friend and she's been knowing about me quite a bit through helping me out with life, work, or even just like giving me pep talks sometimes. And I figured out that it would be fun to just do whatever she says for a day, and I think she really thought it through. I think she pretty much like looked at all the complaints or comments I have and just made me do it so that I would just shut up about it, including the boat noodles. I've been telling her that I wanted to eat a lot of boat noodles for the longest time now, but I was just really worried about, I don't know, like sodium. But at the end of the day, I was really happy because it's still something that I enjoy and reminds me that sometimes you just have to do things, just indulge yourself and make yourself happy. Going to a dog cafe was definitely something that I would have been, that I would have done alone on my own, but it's just so much more fun to go there with someone. I also really I would have to say though, the part that I did not enjoy is the celery juice. She knows I'm a healthy person and she knows that I know that there has been a fad about the celery juice a little bit, but I kind of questioned it a little bit. She definitely thought it through and said, well, let's see how healthy you can be. As it turns out, I guess there's a limitation to what I'm willing to go through. I'll stick with fresh salad. Speaking of which, I still have 2 bottles left. I will try to finish today. I think it's important when you're sad or when you're kind of in a rut to just go out and just do a lot of things to expose yourself to different things, just in case that you stumble upon something that you can build on or that can give you a new meaning in life. Would I do it again? Everything except the juice part. So if you like how I'm handling myself through the rut so far, or how I'm just completely clueless as Tana takes me around, just hit like and subscribe, because it's just me, my camera, and a lot of confusion. Oh, this thing sucks.